Today we will see how to grow potatoes at home. Mid-September till mid-November, which is early winter or you can say autumn, is the time to start growing your potatoes. And it takes about 3.5 to 4 months to get ready to harvest. Alright, let's check out the process. How to grow potatoes at home.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
Always choose a big size pot, tub or container. So here I am taking this potato grow bag made of jute with a velcro opening at bottom for harvesting. And for potting mix I have 50% garden soil and 50% cattle manure in this. If the soil is compact at your area, you can add some river sand to it to make it more porous. I have a separate video on how to prepare potting mix for vegetables. Please do check it. I have shared the link. So our potting mix is ready. Now we will need seed potatoes, which is nothing but old potatoes from our kitchen which has this kind of sprouts on it. Now if you wish, you can cut them into pieces with at least one sprout in it. Otherwise, sow them as it is with the growth buds facing upwards. Now water it well and keep it in full sunlight only. And after 7 to 10 days, you will see new shoots will start sprouting with healthy leaves. Make sure you keep the soil moist but not soggy. If the soil is too dry, the plant will dry up, and if the soil is too wet, the sown potatoes will rot down. So this is the growth of our potato plants after 20 days, and I am growing in 2 grow bags. The plant is growing really well, and this is the status after 30-40 days. Now every 30 to 35 days, keep on adding some mixture of compost and soil. It is important to layer it up with soil and compost mixture at this stage when the stems look strong enough so that they can form more potatoes inside. And it's been 2 months and the growth looks quite promising. I will come up with its harvesting video once all its leaves dries up. Until then, sow your potatoes right here in September, October and share your experiences with me. See you.